Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna pick with some beginner sets. Yeah, these zippers work so well. This is one that has more of the picks left in it. Okay. And this is the one I used to use. Oh, I zipped it up, didn't I? Okay. Okay. It's got a key extractor in it. I took out, let's see, this pick. Nothing fancy. Comes with the bottom of the key tensioner. And I'm going to pick a beginner's lock. This is a Magnum M5. And let's see if I can get this critter open. Got it open once, but now that I'm recording, it probably will give me a rough time. Okay, get that pin number 1. There it goes. And that's an open. Surprised. And that, here's my other one. Oh yeah, I got this one. Pristine. I don't know why. Guess I was into buying pick sets back then. Okay. And that's picking a lock, a beginner's lock with beginner's picks. And that's all for today. I'm Skip Hembrook. Good day.